Oh, you going first?
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you. Alright, so anyways, we're back with another video. And today, I'm about to go ahead and go get water in there, 25 cents, as you see here. 25 cents. And sink. Okay, synced. Alright, let's go on ahead and let's get to it. Here we go. Insert the bill here. There we go, $1. And I think you can choose any, like A3. Or maybe A3. And after that, there we go. Whoa! Now let's take it out. Oh, now let's go ahead, let's go grab our change, as you saw. Now let's go ahead and put it in. Alright, and let's do another one. A2. Yeah, what about B2? There we go. B2. Here we go. Thank you. Alright, anyways, that's all for this short video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.